Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to restart an iPhone without the power button in iOS 11. Tap the virtual assistive touch button. Tap the device icon. Tap the more icon. Tap the restart icon. Tap restart when the alert appears on your iPhone's display. Your iPhone turn off, then back on after about 30 seconds. The 26th of June 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Restart your iPhone. Press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button, on the right side of your iPhone, until you see the Apple logo. The 9th of November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Those steps to factory resetting a device are here again if you need them in an easier to read format. Tap Settings, General, Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Enter passcode, Face ID, fingerprint. Tap Erase iPhone, iPad. Enter Apple ID password. Your iPhone, iPad will now factory reset. The 5th of May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Press and hold both the Home button and the Top button, also known as the Power or the Sleep, Wake button, at the same time until you see the Apple logo on the screen. When the Apple logo appears, you can let go of the buttons. Usually, Force Restart takes care of small iOS issues and bugs. 29 August 2019.
Take our lead.
Step 1. How to force restart an iPhone 11. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 1. Quickly press and release the volume down button. 2. Finally, press and hold the side button. 3. Until the Apple logo appears, and then release. The screen will temporarily go dark as the iPhone shuts down and reboots.
Take our lead.
Android users. Press and hold the Power button until you see the Options menu. Select either Restart or Power Off. If you choose Power Off, you can turn your device back on again by pressing and holding the Power button.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.